Hi everybody, it's Danny, Sigma Beauty's global makeup artist. Today I have a special guest, Dan. He's our videographer and he's usually behind the camera, but today he's gonna be doing a makeup tutorial with me. So we are actually gonna do a Freddy Krueger face-off. And Dan loves special effects makeup. So he's gonna do a look using his special effects supplies, and I'm gonna create a look using just makeup. So stay tuned if you guys wanna watch how we do our looks. So I have a little bit of foundation on already, so that way when I apply the eyeshadow, it's just going to stick a little bit better.
My first go-to will be the SO2 spatula with liquid latex. And what's really great about this brush and all of our silicone brush heads is it doesn't stick to latex, whereas normally if you use a chip brush or any kind of hair brush, it'll immediately kind of bond and the brush will be ruined forever.
So first I'm going to take our Fill and Blend brow pencil in the shade Light, and I'm going to use this to create little areas on my face that are going to be essentially the burn marks. After I make my shape, then I'll go in with a pink eyeshadow and fill these areas in. So I'm doing just kind of various sizes. I have some bigger ones, some smaller ones. And the palette I'm going to be using today is our Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette. And it has some really great shades in here. Some reds and some pinks that would be perfect for the
Freddy. Yeah, that's our copyright out. We're like, we're not doing Freddy, we're doing Freddy.
We're doing Freddy Krueger.
Freddy Krueger.
Okay, so I'm taking the shade Passion Fruit, which is this shade down here, and using it on a flat brush. This is the F70 concealer. I'm using this to fill in these little areas. Alright, so now that I have all of my areas filled in, I'm going to go in with the shade Rogue, which is the red shade of the palette, on a little detail brush. This is the E46 shader, and I'm going to run Rogue just around the edges of Passion Fruit just to start giving it dimension and really start to help it look like the texture of skin. So I have Venom here, which is like a blood red, and then Belladonna, which is like this deep burgundy. So I'm gonna mix these together to get a really nice red to create some shadows in these little wells here, so it really pushes back and gives you that texture of shadow and light. And I'm going to create that shadow just on one end. So it really looks like it's receding. Dan, when do you feel like you get your like creative itch? I feel like for me it's like midnight, when I should be going to bed.
Yes.
And all of a sudden I'm like, I kind of want to do my makeup.
No, that's actually that's funny that you say that, because midnight is the witching hour for me too. Where I'm like, well, we have to get up tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I just got some liquid latex, and I just watched a horror movie, and now I really want to do something.
Yeah.
And then you're like, okay, now it's 2 a.m. You should probably go to bed. You should probably.
And then you just like wash it off, and you're like,
yeah. But you know, and so now I kind of got the main area of my cheeks ready, so I'm just gonna kind of go in with some more patches of tissue paper and just kind of even it out to kind of blend down the edges and create that kind of more dragged skin that he has.
All right, everybody, here are our final looks. What do you think? So cool. I had so much fun with you, Dan. This was so amazing to do. Dan using, again, all of his special effects makeup. I just used makeup to create these textures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making it, and we hope you enjoy your Halloween. Bye.